Hello everybody, what's up? Hope you're doing well today. Welcome to Mr. Food. Today we are at Maalu Maalu Resort Pasikuda. Many people are having fun here. Also there are boat rides. I think this is the most beautiful beach resort that I have ever visited. Wow!
We stayed here one night and we had 3 meals, breakfast and lunch today, also the dinner yesterday. Okay, now it's time to review food of Maalu Maalu Resort. I will give overall ratings for food as I rated in the previous episode. For taste, I will rate 10. This is the first time I rated 10 on Mr. Food episodes. We have a good variety of food here, especially some traditional food. Taste is very good. For cleanliness and healthiness, I will rate 9. For the service, I will definitely rate 10 because the staff here is very good. For an example, there was an outdoor get-together function of Colombo Cat admins yesterday night. Suddenly it started raining in the middle of the party. But the working staff could rearrange it inside the hotel within 10 minutes. They were very quick. Okay, at the last, the budget. I will rate 8. It will cost around 20,000 rupees for one night for 2 packs including 3 meals. Price might be changed regularly. Finally, Mr. Food rating for Maalu Maalu Resort Pasikuda is 9.2.
Now we are going to go for a boat ride. Let's see how is that. visited many hotels in the last few years. I think this is the best hotel that I have ever visited because of two reasons. One, the beautiful view of this beach and the resort. Number two, their service at Maalu Maalu Resort. Everybody in this hotel is very friendly. They are doing a very good job to make this hotel awesome. I can talk all day about them. They have the best service here. It's the best. That's why I rated 10 for their service. Also, I would like to recommend you Maalu Maalu Resort. I can guarantee you that you would have an awesome time here for sure. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Mr. Food to see more videos like this. Let's eat, let's review. You had Ashok Kumar with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.